Hello students, in this video we will solve NCERT numerical question 1.13 from class 11 chemistry, chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. Let's first understand the concept given in the question. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. Its C unit is Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton square. Now let's read the question carefully. If the mass of air at sea level is 1034 gram square, calculate the pressure in Pascal. Now let's write the given data. Mass of air per unit area is 1034 gram square. Acceleration due to gravity, g, is 9.8 meter square. Now let's understand the formula. Pressure equals force divided by area. And force is equal to mass multiplied by gravity. So, pressure equals mass multiplied by gravity divided by area. Since mass is already given per unit area, we can directly write pressure equals mass per unit area multiplied by g. Now let's solve step by step. Step 1. Convert the given units into C units. First convert gram into kilogram. 1034 gram equals 1.034 kilogram. Now convert centimeter square into meter square. 1 centimeter equals 10 power minus 2 meter. So, 1 centimeter square equals 10 power minus 4 meter square. Now combine both conversions. Mass per unit area becomes 1.034 divided by 10 power minus 4. Which is equal to 1.034 into 10 power 4 kilogram square. Step 2. Now calculate pressure. Formula, pressure equals mass per unit area multiplied by g. So, pressure equals 1.034 into 10 power 4 multiplied by 9.8. This gives approximately 1.013 into 10 power 5 Newton square. Since 1 Newton square is equal to 1 Pascal, we can write, pressure equals 1.013 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Final answer. The pressure at sea level is approximately 1.01 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Final concept to remember. Always convert all units into SI units before calculation. And when mass is given per unit area, use the direct formula, pressure equals mass per unit area multiplied by g. Important insight. This value, 1.013 into 10 power 5 Pascal, is the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. This is a very important value to remember.